Welcome back viewers. So today we have the QCY T1 wireless Bluetooth 5.0 earphones with us. So in this video I'm going to quickly unbox it and give you a short review. So behind the box we can see some specifications which are the model number, the Bluetooth version, etc. So because of the Bluetooth 5.0 the connection distance has improved and we have waterproof IPX4 and the charging time is 2 hours and the music duration would be 4 to 5 hours. So just quickly unboxing it. Inside the box, let's see what we get. So inside the box we again have a user manual as usual, which is of no use. Okay, I'm just kidding. So it's in Chinese and English, and then you have the mini USB cable, which is of a pretty good quality as you can see here. So then we have this earbuds of different sizes, small, medium and large. So then you have the charging box with the earphones itself. So let's just quickly put this aside and focus on the earphones. So at the bottom we have the mini USB charging port, and then below that we have some branding of QCY. And then if you see, overall it's a really good build quality. For this price range, this is a very good deal. So I got this at China for 100 yen, which is like 1050 INR. So it has also got the magnetic pull, so as you can see it just snaps and sits inside so that it doesn't fall off. So there are pretty cool features, and once you pair this to your device and then you just have to pull out the right earphone, it just gets auto connected to the left and then to the device. So overall you can see it has got a really good build quality. The finishing is really good, and I've used it for a couple of weeks and the bass is really good. It has a smooth bass and it has the right and left reading, and then the charging dots you can see here. So I'll just put it on my ear and show you how it looks. So as you can see, this is how it would look on your ears. It isn't too bulky, it doesn't protrude out too much, and it's really comfortable. I've tried jogging with it, it doesn't fall off. The silicone earbuds are really good, it sits firmly in your ears. So that's it guys, stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.